guys, welcome back to your girl vibing with Trina. What I'm gonna do today is show you guys how to make some authentic Jamaican rice and peas and coconut milk. Yes, first you want to soak your peas overnight or before in the morning before you cooked it with a piece of garlic. Make it tender. Okay guys, so let's get into it. Then you're going to get your pot, some water, place it on the stove. You're going to make sure your water is all boiled up a little bit. Then you're going to pour your little bit of coconut oil. It's your choice, you don't have to. Then you're going to pour your peas in there. Then you're going to put some scallion, which is green onions, and a piece of thyme. But I didn't have thyme, I bought one, but yeah. So I use a piece of rosemary, but usually use thyme. And also I love to use a little bit of sesame oil. And you're gonna cover that up, and after you put your garlic, I like to put a fresh piece of garlic in there as well. The other piece of garlic that was in there, it was that I use it in the peas when it's soaked overnight. So now you're going to put a fresh piece of garlic in there. Once you did that, then you're going to cover it up and bring it to boil. Yes. Right now it's been boiling for some time. Now I'm going to place a piece of ginger to give it a little kick. You're going to make sure your peas is boiled to tender. Then I'm going to pour the coconut milk in there. I pour the coconut milk in there. Once you do that, I usually use a packet of coconut milk as well, but you don't have to. It's your choice. You don't must. Once I get that in, I'm gonna stir it up to mix it all in. It is very easy to dissolve as well once it's in the hot water. I'm gonna cover it up, bring it to boil. Then I'm going to wash the rice with some cold water. Wash it very good. Okay, finish washing. You're going to pour it into the pot while it's boiling. Guys, it's very easy. While you're watching, I'm asking you please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, share, like. I really appreciate it. Then I'm going to put in a Scotch bonnet pepper. I do not burst it. And I pour a little bit of water. Then I'm going to put one Maggi in there. I love to season my rice and peas. Then I'm going to use some dash, some herbal dash. And I'm going to use some burned garlic powder seasoning. I use 2 different types of dash herb seasoning. And as you can see, I did not use any salt whatsoever. And I'm going to stir it and leave. Once I'm done that, I'm going to put some butter. Not too much. Then you're going to stir, then you're going to cover it and simmer it to cook on medium heat. Yes, guys. almost finished. Right now it's all dried. You can see it's shelly. So I'm gonna, once I'm done, I'm gonna cover it up back and I'm gonna leave it just a little bit more so it less moist. This is how you make Jamaican authentic rice and peas. Yes, guys, look at that. You got the right texture, you got the color that you're looking for, and it is tasteful. You want to cook your rice where it have taste. I hope you enjoy this video, and I'm glad to share this with you as well. Looking forward to see you guys in another video. Please hit that button, that bell, so whenever I post a new video, you will get notified as soon as I drop another video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for your support.